Switching gears a bit to Bitcoin. Our Bitcoin news of the day is that Bitcoin recently surpassed $60,000 per coin, record high. The rally continues to accelerate. Bitcoin is up tremendously over the last 12 months. Digital currency is up over 963% over the last month. Over the last 12 months, it surpassed a $1 trillion market cap for the first time ever earlier this year. And their rally is really driven by institutional investors because the way Bitcoin works is there's a limited supply of Bitcoin. 21 million Bitcoin will ever be in existence. Ever be mined. That's all they could do. And as institutional investors pour billions of dollars into it, remember, there's a 21 million Bitcoin cap. No more than that will ever be mined. So as billions of dollars pour in, that's causing the price to go up significantly. We don't know which companies exactly. We don't know all the time who's buying it. We know that Tesla has put $1 billion in. Square is buying a lot. A lot of large banks and institutions are finally starting to get in, but we don't know exactly how much each company is putting in. We see that, a lot of the time when their reports come out. But obviously, they're putting billions of dollars in because this price of Bitcoin, it just can't go down, it seems like. It keeps going up. And big news here is that Cathie Wood and ARK Invest say that it could easily reach $500,000 per coin. They say that if institutions start allocating single digits of their balance sheet, so let's say they invest whatever, $5 billion, $1 billion, that's how much they have invested. If they allocate single digits, so let's say 5% of all their money that they're investing, it goes into Bitcoin or cryptocurrency or any sort of, Ethereum, any sort of cryptocurrency, then it would drive the price of Bitcoin up to $500,000 per Bitcoin. And that's going to be huge. Whether it happens a couple years, 2 years from now, or 10 years from now, this is what they're predicting will happen. Obviously, there are going to be a lot of fluctuations. We could easily see Bitcoin drop back down to 20,000, but this is the big milestone, the $60,000 milestone per coin. No one would have thought it would have happened at the beginning of the year, but it happened, and no one thinks it's going to reach 100,000, but I'm betting it'll happen, and eventually it will probably reach $500,000 per coin. We don't know when, but the way things are looking right now, as people and companies are starting to accept Bitcoin, we already spoke about hotels in my last video. I spoke about Dallas Mavericks who are accepting Dogecoin. As people start accepting this and start accepting it as a valid form of payment, and they're going to need to hold some of it on their balance sheets, and it's going to drive the price up even more.